Hello, my friends. I'm back again. I thought it was time for a new book. So, my book today, There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems, an elephant and piggy book, which is a very funny book, and I love the pictures in this book. So, here goes. Look, do you see there's a bird coming down onto Elephant's head? Oh my gosh, have you ever had a bird on your head? Piggy! I think he made Piggy jump. What do you think? Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Would you like a bird on your head? Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Uh-oh. Does the elephant look happy about that bird? I don't think so. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Oh dear. Lovebirds? How do you know that they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. An elephant's head. Would you like a nest on your head? Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Piggy looks very happy about this. I am afraid to ask. What do you think they're doing? Do I have an egg on my head? Uh-oh. It looks like it. Oh, I can't turn a page. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. Yay! The eggs are hatching. Oh, poor elephant. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. Look at those cute little baby birds. They have hatched. Look, Piggy is crying. He's so happy. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. Oh. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Well, I think Elephant's getting a little bit mad here. Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Just ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye, birds. Where do you think they're going? Now there are no birds on my head. Elephant is very happy. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Look, Elephant's so happy he has no birds on his head. Where do you think that they went to? Let's see. You are welcome. It looks like they ended up on Piggy's head instead. Isn't that a funny story? Would you like a bird on your head with a nest? I'm not sure I would. You would have to sit really, really still. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this awesome story, and I'll be back to read to you again soon.